is a crazy vlog. Welcome back to my channel. And as for that title, I will be doing a wig install on a company that I found on Aliexpress called CEXXY, but with a C. I'm gonna go ahead and pop it up on the screen for you guys so you guys can go check them out. By the way, and a little bit of a disclaimer, this is not promo. They are not paying me, so this is going to be a real review, and I'm gonna tell you guys what's up. Y'all, please disregard my face in the first few clips. It may seem like I don't want to do this install, but mind y'all, I woke up around like 5 something in the morning to start this install because I had stuff to get done. So I'm like, okay, the earlier the better. Straight off the bat, this is a Water Wave 28-inch wig. It's a 13x4 ear to ear, and it's 150 density. It did come pre-plugged, but I did do a little plugging of my own because I wanted more of a natural hairline. So you guys will see a few clips of me doing that. And I also washed this wig, which is why the curl pattern is not really there. I will be leaving all the details in the description and links so you guys can go check this wig out. I'm not really a bald cap glue type of girl. I'm more so of a throw a cap on, throw some spray down, and call it a day type of girl. So I'll be using these two sprays, which is the Even Wonder Lace Bond Adhesive Spray and the Bedhead Hard Head Spray. I use both of these for my wig installs because I feel like they give me an extra hold and a mean meltdown. I do sometimes find myself reaching more for the Even spray than the Bedhead spray because the Even spray has a really nice hold, but the Bedhead spray, y'all, smells so good. So that's another reason why I use both of them. I also be hearing that the black can of the Even spray is top tier superior over the red and yellow can. So I might have to check that out as well. After cutting the lace and a little bit more spray, I am going in for a round 2 of another meltdown. So we're gonna slap that band back on. I know y'all keep seeing me looking down, but I'm just watching YouTube, y'all. I don't know if it's just me, but I'm always consistently doing the same hairstyle. It's always a bust down, hair flip to the side, or side part. It's always those 3 consistently. By me saying that, y'all probably like, okay, she gonna switch it up, she gonna do a different hairstyle, yada yada yada. Wrong. I am doing a bust down like I always do. I be trying to do different hairstyles, but they be so time consuming, and I did not have that type of time on my hands at this moment. So it's like, bust down it is. Yo, don't mind right here, I was just being goofy. But I was trying to decide which hair mousse I want to use, and I decided to go with the Got To Be because I want the flat, good looking bust down. And this plus the hot comb on top of it, oh my god, y'all, it's so good. And it got the job done. It always get the job done. So I definitely recommend this hair mousse.
I should have figured though, all the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. but it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do, stick to the business. But you came out the blue, then you just flipped it. Goddamn, baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we could build through different types of shit. You was really the realest.
Yeah, at this point, the clips may be a little bit short because I was starting to do my edges and it took me like 15 minutes alone to do one side. Like, I could not get satisfied with the look, so I decided to do my edges off camera to cut back on the time.
What else haven't you told me, dear? Because all I'm hearing are things you haven't told me.
I was wrong. I should have told you the truth from the beginning, but
You should have. Why didn't you?
Because you know what? I didn't think it was a big deal in the first place, and then I was kind of embarrassed. How do I say it to you about looking like...
Guilty? White dick.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something.
All I have in this bottle is oil, water, and a little bit of conditioner, and I sprayed it all over the wig. And now here's the finished product. The look is complete and this wig was absolutely amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you guys can know the next time I post. And I will see you guys in the next video.